Hello friends, this is the third lecture of Unit 2nd. Today we will discuss top 20 MCQ of Python programming. Let us now start. Question number 1 is, in Python a decision can be made by using if-else statements. This statement is true or false. Right answer will be option A, true. Next is, check multiple condition in Python require elif statements. Right answer will be option A, true. Next is, if the condition is evaluated to true, the statements of if block will be executed, otherwise the statements in else block will be executed. Right answer will be option A, true. Next is, what kind of statements is if statements? Right answer will be option B, sequential. Next is, which of the following is a valid Python if statements? Right answer will be option C, if a greater than is equal to 2. Next is, what keyword would you use to add an alternative condition to an if? Right answer will be option C, elif. Next is, can we write if else into one line in Python? Right answer will be option A, yes. Next is, in a Python program, a control structure. Right answer will be option B, directs the order of execution of the statement in program. Next is, what will be output of this expression p plus q if 12 is digit in bracket is r plus s? Right answer will be option A, PQ. PQ. Next question is, which statement will check if A is equal to B? Right answer will be option B. Option B. Next is, what will be the output of the given Python code? Right answer will be option D, 3. Next is, what does the following code print to the console? Right answer will be option B, glass. Next question is, what does the following code print to the console? Right answer will be option A, roof. Next is, what does the following code print to the console? Right answer will be option D, boring. Next is, what does the following code print to the console? Right answer will be option C, 101. Next is, what does the following code print to the console? You can analyze this question. Right answer will be option B, Ford. Next is, what does the following code print to the console? If 1, print in bracket 1 is truthfully, else, and print. Right answer will be question number 18. Option number C. Sorry, right answer will be option number A. First is truthy. Next is, what does the following code print to the console? Right answer will be option C. 0 is false. Next question number 20. What does the following code print to the console if 88 greater than 100 print cardio? Right answer will be option D. Nothing is printed. Nothing is printed.